Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Solana from your Tangem wallet to Binance in 2025. If you're holding Solana and want to move it to your Binance account for trading or staking, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Tangem wallet set up and connected to your device. You'll also need a Binance account with your Solana deposit address ready. Why do this? Sending crypto directly from a hardware wallet like Tangem adds an extra layer of security, protecting your assets from online threats. Step 1. Open the Tangem Wallet app on your smartphone or computer. If you haven't already, unlock your wallet using your PIN or biometric authentication for safety. Step 2. Navigate to your Solana holdings. Select the Solana token from your wallet's asset list. You'll see your current balance. Double-check that you have enough to cover the transfer plus any network fees. Step 3. Tap on the Send or Transfer option. Enter the recipient address, which you can find in your Binance account under the Deposit section for Solana. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid costly mistakes. Step 4. Input the amount of Solana you want to send. Remember to account for gas fees, which are typically low for Solana transactions. Review all the details carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll need to approve it on your Tangem hardware device for added security. Step 5. Sit back and wait for the transaction to process. Solana is known for its speed, so this should only take a few seconds to a minute. Once it's confirmed, check your Binance account to ensure the Solana has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you securely send Solana from your Tangem wallet to Binance in 2025. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets and double-checking addresses. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.